Hey guys, another one from Mr.Wrench 87. Like and subscribe. So here we got a rear hub assembly for a Ford Explorer. It's a rear wheel hub assembly. Very hard to take apart because it freezes into the knuckle. So it might take a lot of heat and hammering, but it should be able to come out. Here we go. So first you want to take apart your brakes. Take off your pad and your rotors and your calipers. Get all that off. Once you get all that off, you get to the back of it here and you're going to see the 4 bolts. You take the 4 bolts out. You smash away. Take out the center axle bolt. You clean all this off. Once you hit it with the hammer so many times, you see that? It'll fall off. Grease it all up nice. Just 4 bolts hold that wheel assembly. And that center axle nut. Grease this up. This is where it presses in. Grease is like your best friend, man. Use it. Clean it up nice. Put it all back together. There you go. Pretty simple. Hard part is getting it out of the knuckle. Put the 4 bolts in the back, tighten it up, put the brakes back together. There you go. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.